In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign the same tag to multiple contacts at once. The first thing we want to do is go up here to our contact screen. And you'll see by default, our system is going to pull up 10 contacts. If you wanted to see more records, you could expand it here. And if you were looking for specific contacts, you could also break down your list here as well. But in this example, let's just say I wanted to add the same tag to these 10 contacts. What I would do is hit this box right here, and you'll see that then put a checkbox next to all of the contacts. The next thing that I'm going to do is go up here to Actions, click Assign Tag, and at this point we could type in a new tag if there was something we wanted to add for all these contacts, or we could select from a drop-down menu of existing tags we've already used. Now in this scenario, I'll just create a new tag, and I will just say VIP client. And I'm going to assign that tag to all these records. Perfect. So you can see tag assigned successfully. And just to double check that it did what it said it did, I'm going to pull up this contact as an example. And you'll see, there we go. So the tag VIP client was just added to this contact record along with all the others at the same time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care.